welcome to the episode number 15, guys. The engine is basically ready. We're gonna install, I'm gonna show you how I installed that little guy out there. It's pretty much done. We don't have much more to do apart from little things like tapping the water part that we're not gonna use. But the important part is this episode, I'm going to do some sandblasting and powder coating. It's make a lot of noise. I got here the bracket for the crank sensor and the little bracket, and how this goes is like this, and you just push in and you're gonna hear a click. Done. So now it is in. Now we're gonna put in the car. We have two bolts, one for this bracket and one for this guy. This one is very important because it offers ground. So you see there, that hole is where we're gonna put the sensor, so if the tensioner is not here, it's easier. Get a long 10mm socket, and now this is how you tighten it. Look, don't need to tighten the crap out of it. That's aluminum and done. Look, and now the bracket we put up here, it goes only one way and is a 12mm. Now we're gonna put this baby in here. I'm not too excited about that, but I want to protect. And 3 Allen bolts, they're 5mm. One. So now we're gonna tap for the turbo return, and this is gonna be like this. So I got those guys here. They are M8 125. Nice. There you go. So now we are at this point where I'm making the treads M8 125 in my case. So I just need to go deep enough. So one side is good. I just need to do the other one. I'm gonna put some Loctite, of course, and yeah, it's good to roll. So now we're gonna take the parts to the parts washer, which is a bucket with Dawn and hot water, and I'm just gonna scrub this, be sure that it's free of grease. Everything is washed, clean, ready to be masked, except for the brake calipers. I gotta take those guys out of here and mask in there, so we don't get powder coat in there. Okay, so if you never disassembled a caliper, this is going to be a good day for you. What we need to do is go in here on this booth. There's just a little piece of metal with kind of circlip and the rubber boot. I am going to take this out of here, and as you see, inside is clean, it's great, so there's no sand. And now I gotta take this out. So usually you can, some people blow. I took it out before, so it might be a little easier. It's coming off. There you go. Okay, so I took this little cap from the back and popped air. This flew out like a bullet. If my finger was there, it would be broken. So do not put your air all the way in and press it, because it is going to fly. It is dangerous. Don't do it. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other one. I'm more concerned about grease and sand at this point than anything else. Yeah, it's not a lot. So let me show you the air stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna take this plug here for the other side, and when I blow, this thing here should pop out. There you go. If you don't have the compressor, as I did before, you need to as you pull with the screwdriver like this, you gotta have the hand on the other side so the bucket doesn't tilt like this. So when you pull one side, the other side is pulling up, and that works fine. So my plan now, I do not care about the inside, so I don't want to powder coat inside. So what I'll try to do is to protect this inside part, and this is a special tape, just so you, if you wonder. There you go, we got the inside part. So now I got a few plugs. I'm gonna see which size is better here, but it seems like that's good. Let me mask that. Done. So now it's time to start thinking where we're gonna hang those parts from. And here, that's what I choose. And then, nice. All right, big pieces are there. This one, that one, the pulley. The other pulley is still not, but while I bake those things, I can finish the other ones. And that's gonna be it for this episode, guys. The brake calipers is gonna turn out so pretty. I'm gonna show you real quick. That's enough. If you wanna see how we made that here in the garage without professional help, watch the next episode. All right, thanks for subscribing. If you're not subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe. Love you guys. Later.